you need something for a car that you want to hook up, say an amplifier, an inverter, and got the proper gauge for you that you're looking for. On the cigarette light adapter, if you have enough strength to unscrew this, a simple tool would do that. And inside here should be a fuse. Just to let you know, they are replaceable fuses. Be very careful not to lose the spring and the nipple. And it's got enough gauge wire to do the work for you. It's got about 10 feet. You could check further detail about this product and the information found online. It is very easy to hook up to a car and other items that you're looking for. If you don't need the ring connectors on, you want to hardwire to something else, you can cut these and use them. The wire is separable. And this is what the product is great for, hooking up anything imaginable that requires power. You can see how nice and long it is, at least 6 feet long. We have here, this is a 12-volt cigarette lighter. You can see power to it. We have here is a light. We have here is a cigarette lighter hooked up and a light. And you can see the light working. And there's a lot of things you can do with a cable. Now, like I said, amps, lights, whatever you need to run from a car, this product will be right for you.